Medicaid waivers are becoming easier for Minnesotans to claim, and Beltrami County is no exception to the trend. These social service dollars help people with disabilities and other health conditions to live more independent lives. It's been a struggle for many, but things are looking up in the new year. Our Jackson Bruner explains.
From serious mental health issues to other disabilities, Medicaid waivers can support people in a variety of ways. Like the rest of Minnesota, Beltrami County uses government money to assist a number of people who need help with the quality of their living situations.
If there needs to be modifications to a person's home, that's one thing. If we need to use the waiver to support somebody in supported employment services, that would be another. Some of these dollars can be used to place somebody in group care facilities that are in their own community. That's the idea, is to keep them in their own community. And a lot of times those dollars get pretty expensive.
Beltrami County carries an annual waiver budget of just over $20 million. They control two categories of waivers. A combined service called the CAC and BI waiver can provide money for three different needs. Community Alternatives for Disabled Individuals serves those who require the use of a nursing facility. Community Alternative Care helps with chronically ill people who need services that a hospital can provide. And BI money helps people with brain injuries who require the care of a nursing specialist. The Developmental Disabilities Waiver helps those with development concerns who need the attention of an immediate care facility. According to the Star Tribune, nearly 5,000 people were waiting for services like these across the state just a year ago. But now that number has dropped by over 1,000. It's thanks to new state laws, which no longer make counties reimburse Minnesota for going over their budget. As a result, they can be more generous.
There are also some funds that are available for individuals that have higher needs, and we have access to those from time to time. So we've made some of those requests.
Beltrami County officials say that locally there haven't been wait lists at all in the last several years. That's because here there's a committee that's tasked with making tough decisions about where to put the budget.
This team has done a fabulous job of managing these dollars. I think we do a better job than most other places in making sure that we get the most bang for the dollar.
We meet weekly to manage those services. We staff cases on a weekly basis, and we allocate the funds for those that are most in need.
Even though Minnesotans are receiving service at a faster pace lately, the county says it still aims to be safe, keeping a 2% reserve out of its waiver budget for emergencies. In Bemidji, Jackson Bruner, Lakeland News.
Beltrami County serves the waiver funds it controls to about 300 people in its borders. They estimate it costs up to $350 per person per day to provide the assistance they need.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.